This year, we decided to skip the Delhi heat and plan our annual offsite in Shell. Let's hear what our team felt about this experience.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
So this was my third offsite at MGC Global, and it was an amazing experience. We danced a lot, we played cricket, and the way our managing partner addressed each and every person of the firm, it was an absolutely amazing experience.
What an atmosphere we have over here. The chilly breeze and the rain, drizzles, everything. Absolutely amazing. Loved it.
Jackass, jackass, jackass. I was on top of the world.
The evenings that we have spent for the last 2 evenings, boys and girls had great fun. They were just breaking the floor, and I think that was the highlight of this particular offsite.
If I would like to describe my experience about offsite, so we had a blast. We danced really well on both the days. DJ was so fun, and the session with Amit Goswami sir was really great. We had so much of activities. We actually played cricket there as well. I can't wait for the next offsite.
It's been fantastic, amazing. That's the only 2 words I can describe it with.
So it was a great experience for me, and it was a great team togetherness we had seen at offsite.
My overall experience was very good. I was able to make a lot of friends. The time that we all spent dancing, talking to each other, everything was perfect.
The best part of offsite is, welcome by our managing partner. When we, entered our room, we got a good, beautiful T-shirt with, message from our managing partner.
It's been absolutely amazing. Fire.
Highlight was related to the interaction with the people, specifically the Bangalore team. I found there was a lot of love and affection among the team members.
This is my first ever offsite, and I really enjoyed it. It was a standout set for me, so it was amazing.
You need to join MGC to have this once in a lifetime experience. It has been amazing experience. They have put in so much of effort to organize and select this place and organize everything here. So yeah, MGC rocks.
It was mind-blowing. We had all the adventures, from dancing to trekking to going to a temple. Everything was mind-blowing.
The whole experience was fun. From going from train and doing all the fun activities, and then the weather was great.
Amit Goswami's LRB sessions are always, I would say, the highlight of every offsite. Every time is a very different topic that he covers, and I'm sure apart from me, there are many other people who have benefited from this session as well, both personally and professionally as well. We're looking forward to go and implement that, share with the team as well, and see how we can develop as a team. So thumbs up to Amit, you're amazing as always.
Most of it, I have explored the fun side of all of them, and I love the offsite. Thank you so much.
I'm new in the office and I made lots of new friends in the offsite, and I really enjoyed it.
It was first time in my outside with our seniors, with my friends. I have danced, drinks, playing cards, late nights, and I enjoyed a lot.
It was an amazing and a lovely experience. So we enjoyed a lot. We had dance, we had lots of fun, and the most beautiful thing which I have experienced, that was scenic beauty of Chail, and the property was also very, very beautiful.
Each and everything is a highlight, and the location property is extremely good. The views from the balcony, we can able to see the views of Simla. So that is mesmerizing.
We had a great offsite at Chahal. It was among the peaceful mountains, and I feel that the most exciting part of the entire trip was the road and the ways that we had. We made new bonds. That was the highlight for me.
We've had 3 offsites in a row. 2 years back, it was the coming together of a new team. Last year, it was the transition of the team from the model of employment into entrepreneurship. This year, we're talking about the future. There is a lot that we have planned ahead for us this year. It was so lovely to see people enjoy themselves, mingle with each other, a talented set of people. The talent was very evident, and I think for me in many ways it's been very refreshing. 7,500 feet, far away from 47 degrees, life doesn't get better. More importantly, with my team, people who mean the most to me, it's been 2 days very well spent.